Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain how you can reset your Verizon Fios router. Really easy and simple, but before we get into that, there's some things to note, okay? So if you reset your router, this will wipe out all your customized settings. Your router username and password will be reset to the default factory values. Now these values, you can find them on the router label. There's usually going to be a password and a username that you'll find there. This is the default one. And all your personalized Wi-Fi settings will be deleted, including the Wi-Fi name and password you created. And your Wi-Fi network actually won't be accessible until you reconfigure your router and update your Wi-Fi devices to the same customized Wi-Fi settings. What this means basically is you have to go to the router's login page, log in using your username and password, and configure your Wi-Fi. Now, if you're okay with all that, to reset, what you do is at the back of your router, usually at the bottom, you'll find a reset button. So what you want to do is locate that button first, and when the router is turned on, you want to use the pointed end of, for example, a paper clip or similar object. You want to insert that and press and hold the reset button for about 50 seconds. And then the router will fully reset, it will power back on, and it will be in factory reset settings. So I hope this guide was helpful to you, and if it did provide value, and if it worked, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.